Hey guys! So today I'm going to show you how to measure your nail beds for press-on nails. So here's some things I'm going to use to get the measurements. I'm going to have a piece of paper and a pen to write down what size my nails are. I have measuring tape, I have actual tape, and then I have a ruler. So I'm going to show you two ways how to measure your nails. So starting with number one, I'm just going to show you how to use this measuring tape to measure your nails to get the correct size for your press-on nails. So how I go about measuring the size for press-on nails is I use millimeters. So I'm just going to take this side of the tape and I'm just going to take it from sidewall to sidewall. All right, and so by doing that, you want to actually do this with no press-on nails on to get the most accurate fit for your nail, or any acrylics on or anything over top of your nail, just so you get what your actual nail bed size is. All right, and from there, I'm just going to count the little dashes to see how many go from sidewall to sidewall. So I'm going to start at the first one and just count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, and then I'm just going to write that down, and I'm just going to go from thumb to pinky. I already know what my thumb size is, so it's 16 millimeters. And then from this, 16 millimeters is going to convert to an actual nail size, which I'm gonna just use this like a size 0, which is a very universal way of, so if you already know your nail sizes, or you already know what nails you need, so if you need like a 0, 1, a 9, an 8, so on and so on, anyone that's gonna make press-on nails for you, whether it's me or someone else, is going to understand what sizes you need. So I'm just gonna do that with every finger and just sidewall to sidewall, and you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 millimeters. For my index finger. So I'm just gonna write that down. So you're just gonna go and do that this way, thumb to pinky. The next way I'm gonna show you is also a very simple way. So I feel like, not a lot of people have measuring tape like this around the house. This is the best way because it gets an accurate fit, it's easy. But this is also a little hack. So you can take a piece of tape and you're just going to put this on your finger. And from here, you're just going to mark each side of the sidewall. So we're going to just mark right here. And we're going to mark right here. Might want to use a Sharpie because this is not staying on that well. All right, and so from here, what we want to do is just take this tape off. Now we can see where the lines are. So we're just going to compare this to our wooden ruler. So we're gonna put that right there. And the other one over here, it's a little messed up. All right, and from there, we're just gonna count the little lines again. So we're just gonna do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And from there, you're gonna be able to do the same exact thing that I did with using this. It's gonna give you an accurate measurement. And that way you know what size you wear for press-on nails. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.